So good afternoon friends, I am PS Satyarthi from Delta Academy Ghaziabad and Delta Academy is in position for last few years and has started classes for CLAT from 2018. 2018 is also a date for CLAT, after which CLAT exams used to be conducted on rotational basis by NLUs. But after the constitution of consortium, that fashion is over and now CLAT examinations for UG and PG both. When we talk of UG means BLLB honors 5-year degree course, and when we talk of PG it is LLM 1-year degree course in semester board is conducted by consortium of NLUs. As on date there are 22 participating members in the consortium who take for admission students out of the merit declared by the consortium in the CLAT. So this year our focus will be CLAT PG course. In CLAT PG course what happens, this is for LLM as well as also for certain PSUs on top of the priority. Whosoever candidates qualify, PSUs take out of that. This written test of CLAT PG is enough, and then they interview themselves, the PSUs interview themselves to conduct the process for selection of officers, that is called law officers, through CLAT. CLAT 221. CLAT 221 is to be held on 13th of June 2021. Earlier it was fixed in May, but due to CBSE examinations, the date has been postponed for 13th of June. In PG, every year people appear, students in thousands. Of that, topmost students who qualify go for LLM and also for PSUs. Average 50 merit holders out of PG CLAT are taken by the PSUs like GAIL, like Indian Oil Corporation, ONGC, etc. And the pay scale of PSUs is very lucrative. So this is another avenues for law students in addition to go for judiciary, APOs and all that for this thing. This is the reason why Delta Academy Ghaziabad has been in pursuit and taking aspirants to get ready for CLAT. Let us see what is the pattern of the CLAT. Pre-qualification is that students should have completed LLB or BLLB, means 5-year course or 3-year course, and they are eligible for this examination, where the first section of the examination will include 100 objective type questions. Every question will carry 1 mark. There will be a negative marking of 0.25 mark for every wrong answer. And the second section in this examination is descriptive type, where 2 sections are there, A, B, and each section contains 25 marks. That is passage reading and understanding, then taking out the question out of it. So that way you see this total marks are 150 and duration of the examination is 2 hours. Multiple choice questions are there, 100 questions. Subjective questions are 50, 2 essay type questions each contain 25, and each essay will be of 800 words. Of that, 25 questions will be asked. This comprehensive part is added so that the reading and understanding capacity of aspirant is tested through that. Here through Delta Academy we have been guiding students for CLAT UG course, and many of the students have been successful, which includes even my daughter Deepsika, who passed from National Law University Lucknow and also qualified 2 times for LLM, though she didn't go for pursuing LLM. She is preparing for judiciary. We shall like to suggest also the books how to prepare for CLAT. CLAT has 2 major subjects. Here CLAT PG course has 2 major subjects. One is the Constitution and second is jurisprudence. Constitution, I know everybody understands well, and jurisprudence is also equally important. What is jurisprudence? Jurisprudence is the extra version of law. There are many jurists who have given their opinion as to how a law is created and what is required. Jurisprudence juris means law, prudence knowledge. Knowledge of law, prudential knowledge. And to understand various acts, statutes. Very important subject is interpretation of statutes. Side by side, students should keep reading that, because that teaches how to understand their act and how to understand the statute, the spirit of statute, object, intention. Object, intention and spirit is very, very important to be known by aspirants. See, what are the areas which are important to be read? Number 1, Constitution, as we told. For that, students should not go for many books. Any 2 books are enough. We refer and we recommend the book written by D.D. Basu or P.M. Baxi or V.N. Shukla or G.N. Pandey. 4 books are there. Any 2 of the above are enough to read, understand and grasp the important values of the Constitution required for CLAT. See, jurisprudence, again as we told, the most important part is to remember what every jurist